Hi everyone, and for this episode, tayo ay mag-unbox ng isang Nomi plushie. And for those who don't know, ako po ay nagko-collect ng mga Nomi plushies. And some of them I bought, and some of them were actually just given to me. So, anyway, without further ado, eto na po ang box. Yan po siya. So, it was given to us by one of our sponsors, which I will not mention anymore na lang, para safe. Anyway, so we have the box here already. So, let's start unboxing. Oh my gosh, super good. Wait lang, oh my gosh, look. So this is one of the latest versions of Nomi. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the smaller ones, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi maliit yung box niya. So, OMG! OMG, guys. So, oh my gosh. Wait. So guys, this is going to be my first time having a Nomi that is actually small. So this is from the version 11 of Nomi. So as you can see, the box is just small because normally I only have Nomis who are actually quite big na nilalagay ko sa aking mga bag kapag ako ay umaalis. But so anyway, here are some of the characters that we have. So we have Hop in the Rabbit Hole, this one, if you can see it. Then we have Little Princess, this one. Then we have Frosty the Snowman, which is this one. Then we have Fluffy Little Lamb, this one. Then we have Three Little Pigs. Then we have Little Red Wolf, so this one. And then we have Promised by the Fox and Black Kitty Witch. And of course, we have the secret, which is the Red Queen. So I'm actually hoping for it's either Promised by the Fox or Black Kitty Witch. Kasi orange sila. So recently, I'm leaning towards orange because I don't know, it's just so bright, and na-observe ko lang din na parang marami may ayaw ng orange. It's not naman na naaw ako, kaya ko gusto yung mga orange, but because I would like to try something new. And I think orange is a fun color.